Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are looking for a great looking serving platter or charcuterie board for an event, but you also want something that is disposable, well, then you've got a tall order. But don't worry, because these platters by Chic Leaf have you covered. I was so pleasantly surprised by how durable these plates are. They are actually made from palm leaves. How cool is that? They're not bendy like your typical disposable paper plate where you're not quite sure how much you can load onto it before it falls apart. I was able to hold quite a bit on these platters when my daughter had a sleepover and I cooked up all of our junk food and put it out for the girls to eat. One of these plates even held 2 pizzas on it, and you know how greasy those can get, and it held it like it was made of plastic, but it's not. It's made out of palm leaves. I really love the way these look. They are perfect for parties or weddings, backyard barbecues, but they're not so nice that you couldn't use them camping or maybe just having friends over for a brunch. When you're done with them and you decide you don't need them anymore, then you can break them apart. I highly recommend using them for your next event. You're not going to regret it, but that's just my point of view.